Welcome to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for all things related to creative garden decor, art, and craft inspirations. Today we are diving into a wonderfully rustic aesthetic with our compilation of 25 rustic and primitive home gardens privacy screen ideas with corals, driftwoods, and twines. These unique designs will bring a charming, natural privacy solution to your outdoor sanctuary while showcasing coastal and woodland textures. Make sure to comment your favorite idea below, like this video, share it with fellow gardening enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel. This concept combines vertically arranged weathered driftwood branches bound tightly with thick, jute rope. The natural curves of the wood create a dynamic and primitive screen that gently filters light. It offers an organic boundary that blends seamlessly into any coastal or woodland garden theme. This screen serves as an artistic focal point while delivering the perfect amount of backyard seclusion. Incorporating brain coral pieces into a sturdy wire framework creates a highly textured and unusual privacy barrier. Chunky twines are woven throughout the structure to add a primitive, handmade feel to the entire assembly. This sturdy partition effectively blocks outside views while introducing a fascinating marine element to your landscape. It is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to marry coastal artifacts with functional garden design. Slender, sun-bleached driftwood pieces are lined up vertically like primitive spindles within a reclaimed timber frame. Heavy twine accents secure each piece at the top and bottom, enhancing the rugged craftsmanship. This screen provides an airy yet effective barrier that allows gentle breezes to pass right through. It brings a calm, sun-kissed beach vibe directly into your private outdoor living space. Alternating stacks of white coral blocks and thick driftwood pillars form a robust, primitive garden wall. Twine detailing wrapped around the joints lends an authentic, old-world construction aesthetic to the structure. This heavy-duty privacy screen acts as a powerful windbreak while ensuring complete isolation from neighboring properties. The contrasting textures of smooth wood and rough coral create a striking visual tapestry. Thick garden twines are intricately woven in a dense basket weave pattern between sturdy vertical driftwood posts. This method creates a highly opaque screen that ensures maximum privacy for intimate garden seating areas. Small fragments of coral are tied into the weave as natural, rustic embellishments. The overall look is deeply primitive, resembling ancient tribal fencing techniques. Various lengths of gnarled driftwood are arranged vertically and tied together using rugged twine cords. Embedded within the natural gaps are small chunks of raw coral and colorful sea glass that catch the sunlight beautifully. This primitive screen serves as a functional art piece that separates your garden sanctuary from the outside world. It offers an enchanting balance of rustic wood textures and coastal treasures. A low gabion wall filled entirely with natural rough coral pieces forms the solid base of this privacy design. Rising from the gabion are tall, weathered driftwood planks wrapped loosely with thick decorative twine. This combination creates an impenetrable lower barrier paired with an airy, artistic upper screen. It beautifully delineates your property line while maintaining an authentic, primitive aesthetic. A heavy-duty net hand-knotted from thick organic twine forms the flexible core of this unique privacy screen. Weathered driftwood pieces are woven horizontally through the netting to add structure and visual weight. Hanging pieces of white coral along the bottom edge keep the screen stable during breezy days. This breezy partition provides a soft, relaxed boundary perfect for coastal cottage gardens. Thicker driftwood logs are stacked horizontally in a traditional log cabin style to build a solid privacy wall. Vertical twine lashings at the corners reinforce the primitive stability and add a handcrafted texture. Small coral stones are wedged carefully into the joints to fill any minor gaps between the logs. This robust structure ensures absolute privacy while giving your garden a historic, rugged feel. A rustic trellis framework constructed from slender driftwood branches is tied securely with brown garden twine. Flat pieces of coral are suspended within the open squares of the trellis to block direct sightlines creatively. This design serves as a wonderful support structure for climbing plants to blend with the primitive elements. Over time, vines will interweave with the wood, coral, and twine for a living privacy screen. Multiple strands of heavy twine hang down from a sturdy, overhead horizontal driftwood beam fastened to the garden wall. Strung along each piece of twine are alternating segments of drilled driftwood and small white corals. This moving privacy curtain sways gently in the wind, creating a soothing, natural auditory rustle. It offers an artistic, semi-private barrier that defines outdoor spaces with a primitive flair. Reimagining the classic boundary, this fence uses highly irregular primitive driftwood pickets instead of uniform boards. Thick twine is wrapped around each picket in a continuous X pattern to secure them to the support rails. Large chunks of brain coral sit at the base of each post to ground the design naturally. It offers a charmingly uneven silhouette that maximizes privacy while bursting with rustic character. Tall, dramatic driftwood poles are leaned together and lashed securely at the top with thick twine to form a series of primitive teepee structures. Horizontal twine lines are wrapped around the frame to create a textured web for privacy. Clusters of weathered coral are placed inside the bases to act as anchors and rustic decorative elements. This architectural concept provides a striking, high-impact privacy barrier along your garden border. Flat, weathered driftwood slates are layered horizontally over a sturdy backing frame like rustic shingles. Accents of white coral are strategically attached along the seams using heavy-duty primitive twine bindings. This dense arrangement offers complete visual blockage, ensuring total privacy for your backyard patio. The rich interplay of layered wood grain and rough coral surfaces looks magnificent under garden lighting. An oversized primitive macrame wall hanging is crafted using coarse jute twine and attached to a large driftwood branch. The dense knotting patterns provide a substantial visual screen while maintaining a soft, textile texture. Small pieces of sea-worn coral are knotted directly into the fringe for an organic, coastal touch. This boho rustic screen adds an artistic, cozy layer of privacy to a porch or garden patio. Short pieces of salvaged driftwood are arranged in a beautiful chevron pattern inside a rustic timber privacy frame. The joints where the wood meets are wrapped neatly with thin twine to add handcrafted primitive detail. White coral fragments are nestled at the base of the panel to tie the coastal aesthetic together completely. This sophisticated yet rugged design blocks unwanted views while showcasing incredible geometric craftsmanship. Thick, heavy driftwood planks feature custom-carved cutouts filled perfectly with natural coral specimens. Strong twine is laced across the cutouts to hold the coral securely in place while adding a primitive design element. This solid wooden wall provides excellent privacy while creating a gallery-like showcase for your ocean finds. It is a stunning conversation piece that firmly establishes a rugged coastal vibe in your garden. Long, slender driftwood branches fan out from a single ground point to create a dramatic, radial privacy partition. Thick twine bindings hold the branches at various angles, establishing a sturdy and artistic fan shape. Sea coral fragments are tied to the tips of the branches to add texture against the open sky. This unique design blocks lines of sight effectively while adding dynamic movement to your garden layout. A heavy timber frame encloses a tight grid woven entirely from dark, thick, primitive twine. Small blocks of weathered driftwood and pieces of white coral are knotted securely into alternating grid squares. This screen balances structural openness with artistic privacy, allowing dappled light to filter through gently. It brings a wonderfully textured, hand-woven artisan quality to your contemporary or rustic garden setting. A series of independent columns built from stacked driftwood logs and coral blocks creates a primitive colonnade privacy screen. Thick twine is wrapped around each pillar column to add cohesive texture and structural reinforcement. When placed close together, these columns block side angles while allowing direct forward views. This architectural layout creates a strong sense of enclosure without completely shutting out the surrounding landscape. Beautifully contoured horizontal driftwood slats are stacked vertically, using chunky coral pieces as natural spacers. Heavy twine is threaded through pre-drilled holes in the wood and coral to secure the entire privacy structure. This creates a slatted screen effect that provides excellent privacy while letting slivers of light pass through. The contrasting horizontal lines and organic shapes offer a highly pleasing, primitive aesthetic. Raw, unpeeled branches and driftwood twigs are crossed diagonally to form a dense, primitive lattice screen. Every intersection is bound tightly with natural hemp twine, showcasing a dedicated hand-built craftsmanship. Small coral fragments are tied randomly across the lattice to break up the woody textures beautifully. This dense screen provides immediate privacy in a perfectly imperfect wild garden aesthetic. Large, dramatic driftwood root systems are arranged side by side to form an organic, sculptural privacy barrier. The intricate, interlocking roots naturally block lines of sight while creating a powerful artistic statement. Twine is used to lacing smaller coral stones into the gaps, adding contrast to the dark wood. This primitive concept turns a standard privacy boundary into an evocative, museum-worthy garden installation. Inspired by traditional livestock fencing, this privacy screen uses flexible driftwood branches woven horizontally through upright posts. Heavy primitive twine is interwoven along the edges to reinforce the structure and prevent any shifting. Small light corals are tucked into the tight weave for a subtle coastal flair that catches the eye. This hurdle style offers an extremely dense, opaque barrier for absolute backyard seclusion. This final concept brings together massive driftwood timbers, intricate twine weaving, and prominent coral clusters into a definitive masterwork screen. The heavy materials provide total privacy and unparalleled wind protection for your cherished outdoor living space. It stands as a testament to how primitive elements can elevate ordinary garden boundaries into spectacular works of art. Please take a moment to comment your thoughts, like this video, share it around, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more incredible backyard design inspirations.